welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. It seems like uMusa Mseleko is hurt ngendaba yokuthi uVuyekazi uthathe uMhlophekazi eMzumbe wayohlala naye because uMhlophekazi ukhulele eMzumbe and apparently uMhlophekazi was very close to uMseleko ezathi nje uMpumelelo uMhlophekazi ube yingane kaMkhulu. So uthi ukhuluma noMpumelelo uMseleko uthi hey uyazi wena lento yakho yenza I told you ukuthi this thing of fighting with Vuyekazi is going to lead to problems because bheka manje usuthethe uMhlophekazi and there's nothing we can do about it and uVuyekazi unamanga uma ethi uMhlophekazi asimhlawulanga because we did ingane singayihlawulanga ile encane uNzulu. And then he says that uMpumelelo wamphatha kabi mesethi in the last seasons ethi uma uMseleko athi uVuyekazi must be the bride yakwaMseleko. uMpumelelo wayenza comment yokuthi kusho ukuthi uMseleko uyo ozoshada uVuyekazi. So uthi uMseleko it means bese kushubile ke for him to say such things. And then he says now kuMpumelelo ukuthi are you going to get married? Uzoshada nje wena uzogana. Athi uMpumelelo yes I will. Athi okay cala ke awukhokhi lobola for uMakali. Meaning that he must pay lobola ke for uTirelo. Ayale ancabe uMpumelelo athi cha baba cha ngisafuna nje ungena indaba zami because sila sikhona manje where we are now with Vuyekazi because of wena ubungenele indaba zami ngisho kusho ukuthi Vuyekazi and I won't work but you kept forcing it. Bheka manje this is where we are because of that. So nje uMpumelelo is not saying yes to marrying uTirelo and then uMseleko is saying the situation is tricky of Vuyekazi because now they can't even go and pay damages for uNzulu because they're waiting for family of Vuyekazi and which is tricky now because of Vuyekazi as a new man referring to that Xolani guy that was engaged to Vuyekazi at the time. So they cannot do anything because they might pay for damages and then still bancabele ingane. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.